Good morning guys! Ang aga-aga kong nagising. 5:30 AM. Dahil, naligo pa ako kasi nga, ang exam ko is 8 o'clock in the morning. So mag-breakfast pa kami dito sa hotel ng 7 and then 7:30, aalis na kami. Kasi, hahanapin pa namin yung school kung saan ako mag-e-exam. So in the morning, written. Tapos sa hapon, ay yung oral. So kabado na ako guys. Medyo hindi ako nakatulog. So good luck to me. Good luck guys! Sa lahat ng mga magte-take ng Dele 2 good luck. So nandito kami ngayon sa Valencia pala. Nandito kami sa Valencia kasi sa Barcelona sobrang wala kang makuhang appointment. Inabangan ko yung appointment 1.5 year sa Barcelona. Kaso, sobrang dami. December 15 sabi magbubukas ulit. Wala na. December 8 pa lang, pagkita namin, ubos na ang Barcelona. Meron pero October pa. So, itatry ko na ngayon. Baka sakaling makapasa, di ba? So, ayun guys. Sana, good luck guys for everyone. Good luck! Ayan guys, it's 7:45 AM here in Valencia. Hahanapin namin yung mag-e-examan ko. Aga-aga. Oh, di ba? Kapit.
Aquí a la reta.
Then right. It says 10 minutes walk. Look at the moon.
Tiny, tiny one.
Hostia. What is that?
Modern.
Valencia, El Picaporte.
In a way, it reminds me to Barcelona.
What is it?
Okay.
See, it's like Barcelona. No?
Sí, it has a...
Yuppie. Ay, masakit pa rin ang aking paa guys. Kasi kahapon tumakbo ako, ang lakas ng hangin sa Barcelona. And then, straight. Ayan, ang aga-aga guys. Hindi pa open ang shop. Magde-deliver pa lang sila. Uy, look at that. There's a dog. Uy, maybe Bonnie stay in your room. Maybe pushing like,
You know,
where's Uriol?
the other day I sneaked into where you go up and then to the left, but you can see the views. And suddenly Sasha was behind the gate, behind the fence. And I was like, how did you go? I was calling Sasha and then she didn't know how to go. So I threw up all down, she went down and sprinted.
Yeah, let's do that. Where to go? Wala ba? Ay. Tingnan si ate. Yeah, it's like Rambla.
Now it's the street number 51.
51. Kasi nabago dun sa binigay na address. It was 66, naging number 51. Laki naman ng puno na yan. Puno ng balete. Ano, puno ng balete. Ang laki. Oh, let's wait. Ayan, habang red, holding hands is the key. Yan na, go na. Do you think I'm alone or maybe there are more? I'm alone to take the exam? Or? Oh, their taxi is white.
Sí. Yellow and black is only in Barcelona.
Ah, no, there's white in Mata de Pera.
Also.
51. Come on, it's green. Ay, 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 ay. Kabado na ako, guys. Ayan, red pa nga. I am nervous.
It will be the same as you've been doing. So
Sí, in the CCS eh.
don't worry. It's 41, 10 numbers more.
Ay, 41 pa lang kami. The Kaisha. Shiku. Hey, look, they have a ramen.
Okay. You want to come later?
No sé, it depends on my mood.
Ay, nako.
Parang uulan, guys. Madilim ang paligid. I think they are the one waiting for the exam.
Anyway,
Let's wait here.
can take a video.
See. So ayan, guys, may mga tao na dun. Yan ako magte-take ng exam. So that's it, guys. At ayun na nga, guys, tapos na yung aking exam. So mamaya ay yung eskrito tapos na, guys. Pero meron pang isa. So cheers muna tayo.
Salud.
Ang tamis ng Sprite. So hanapin namin yung pag-e-examan ko ng oral. See you later, guys. So eto, guys, mag-e-explore muna kami ng ano, yung mga Pinay. Hahanapin namin yung pag-e-examan ko mamaya. May exam pa ako isa. Ayun, may mga orange. May mga orange. Kukulo. Hey, look. May statwa. Tres adioses. Like 3 goodbyes.
Yeah, take a video.
Valencia. Ayuntamiento. Ay. ¿Aquí? Mahangin. Oh my. Ang hangin. Malamig.
There's a guy there, we can eat it there if you want.
There's a?
Guys in there. That guy takes the hamburger.
No.
No? Why not?
Burgers again.
It's one that we eat. One that we eat.
Huh?
One that we eat burger.
You ate burger.
Why? One that we eat burger.
Yeah. Ayan, guys, tapos na kaming kumain ng lunch. So ngayon hahanapin namin yung pag-e-examan. You said on the right, left. So
Number 15, no?
15, 14 or something like that.
15, 4.
Mira, 15? Pero, mira, Moratin 15. Mira, Moratin 15. But no one is here yet.
No, because I think
Ah, mira, yellow rose. Mira, it's the same phone.
give me the headset if you want.
At ayun na nga guys, tapos na yung aking exam. Ay, nakakatuwa naman yung oral. Wala na akong ibang ginawa kundi ngumiti ng ngumiti, bumingisingis ng mabungis-ngis. Buti na lang mabait yung nag-interview sa akin at nag-explain. Ay, nakakatuwa talaga guys. Basta, pinasaksak ko na yung Espanyol ko. O, tignan nyo yung mga ano. Ang daming orange. Ayan, uuwi na ako sa hotel kasi nga sumakit yung ulo ko sa kaka. Ay, ayan, saglit lang. Papasok ako. Ay, ganda.